1. Wright Flyer, Wright Brothers, 1903. The first powered controlled flight by the Wright brothers marked the birth of modern aviation. 2. Douglas DC-3, Douglas Aircraft Company, 1935. Revolutionized air travel with its reliability, range, and capacity. 3. Boeing 747, Boeing, 1969. The Queen of the Skies, it was the first wide-body commercial aircraft. 4. Concorde, Aerospatial Bag, 1976. A supersonic passenger jet that symbolized luxury and technological advancement. 5. Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, Lockheed, 1966. A long-range, advanced reconnaissance aircraft known for its speed and stealth. 6. Spitfire, Supermarine, 1938. A legendary fighter aircraft used by the Royal Air Force during World War II. 7. Boeing B-52 Stratofortress, Boeing, 1942. A strategic bomber famous for dropping the atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. 8. F-16 Fighting Falcon, General Dynamics, 1978. A multi-role fighter aircraft that became one of the most successful and widely used military aircraft worldwide. 9. Cessna 172, Cessna Aircraft Company, 1956. The best-selling aircraft in history, known for its versatility, ease of use. 10. Airbus A320, Airbus, 1988. Introduced fly-by-wire technology in commercial aviation, becoming one of the most successful aircraft. Thank you for watching.